Hello, what's happening guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix red eye using red eye correction tool. So let's get started. I actually found this picture on the internet. I just fixed these eyes. To fix this, I just go to the develop module. Here you see an icon is called red eye correction. I just click on this. After clicking on this, here you see two options, red eye and pet eye. This time I fix red eye, that's why I click on this tab. Lightroom says drag from the center of the eye or click to use current size. To fix this red eye, I just click on the middle of the eye and just drag this up like this. Then simply hold down the mouse. After dragging this, we see two sliders, purple size and darken. I can control my purple size using this slider. I just set this here and we can add darken or whiten color of these eyes. Okay, we are done for this one eye. Let's fix the another eye. Now I just simply click on this eye. Now I set the similar settings for this. Now we are done. Look how easily we fix our red eye using red eye correction tool. Very easy and simple, right? Thanks for watching.